Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to use your Figma design inside the Cursor so you can turn your UI design into a real code faster. Let's jump in. First, go to figma.com and log into your account. Open the design file that you want to use. Make sure that the screen, frame, and the component you want to build is ready. Here, click any element in your design and look at the top or the right panel. And here you'll see the colors, font sizes, spacing, width and height, and CSS properties. You can copy these values and the cursor will use them to create your UI in code. If your design uses images or icons, select the image or icon and go to Export section. Click Export and save it to your computer. You'll use this inside your project in Cursor. Now open the Cursor app on your PC or Mac and open your project folder. If you don't have one yet, you can create a new project. And inside the Cursor, you can create a folder called Assets or Images. And here you can also use the Cursor AI to recreate the design using the powerful prompt and just match your design to code. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.